big LPs or whatever those things are called?
Allen wrenches.
Allen wrenches.
Nope. Yep.
Yep. Cool.
Do you have the pole? Okay. I'm going to take a quick look, and if it's there's a kitten here.
There is?
Yeah, I think so. It's hard to tell. Flashlight not strong enough. Let me have this.
This?
Wait, you know what? No, let's here, let me have this one, please.
Wait, can I put it down through here?
No, it's okay. Just bend it.
Oh, there we go.
We'll do an advertising for Chevron. We'll give some warning. And just hold the net open so you can run into it, but don't let him slip from the right side where the blanket is. So be ready to lock that, JoAnn, okay? Okay, I'm gonna run to the other side. JoAnn, I'm pushing him with the camera now. Oh, here's the kitten. Hey, kitten. Come on, up. Let's move. JoAnn, is he close enough to you to catch?
It's right here, I see him. She's so little.
I know, can you catch her?
I can probably, you want me to crawl in there and grab her?
Oh, no, how far is it from you?
She's about 4 feet.
Oh,
But she's right there.
Open it.
In there?
I'll tell you what. Yeah,
If
open
you
it.
push her a little bit further,
I can't, my camera thing snake is stuck. I don't know how far it'll come, but that's the best we got. Actually, I might have another pole in the car. But let's see. 2 will do. Alright, here we go.
Halfway.
Only halfway?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I don't have this many.
It's not long enough?
This is 2 all the way open, all the way in.
Rolling?
Can you please ask Josefina to bring me the last one?
Yeah. net to the other hole because if it runs out, I can just catch her.
Okay.
Nope, push him more, push him more, push him more. Push him. It's okay, Kitten. Push him.
How far is my hole?
It's right here, but I can't grab her, she'll run back. You got him. Got her. It's a boy. Okay, kid. Let's go in the carrier. Okay. Okay.
Hi, Fleur baby. You're very cute. You're very cute.
Thank you so much for joining us. I'll give you a hug, but I'm covered with bacteria. And next time, yeah, I owe you one.
You guys are good, right?
Okay, that's cute, Kitten. That's easy. Funny guy.
The only one that's crazy is Cajun. Well, no.